To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe to the Last Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Ritula and once again welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I have shown how to make rich curd sabji and I have also saved the peel of rich curd. So today in this video, we will see how to make a chutney using this peel. Before starting the recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do click on that red subscribe button and also click on that little bell icon to get a notification of my new uploads. So let's start cooking. This is the peel of 2 large rich curds, 5 to 6 sprigs of coriander, 3 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1 green chilli, 1 teaspoon skinned bengal gram, 1 teaspoon skinned black gram, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, small piece of tamarind and a small piece of jaggery. You can replace jaggery with little sugar. Pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, salt to taste and 1.5 tablespoon oil. In a pan, heat a tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot enough, add in bengal gram. Then add in black gram. Fry these lentils on low flame till they start changing their color. Next add in cumin seeds. Let them pop up. Add in asafoetida. Next in goes garlic, green chilli and curry leaves. I am using 3 curry leaves, the rest of them I will use it for tempering. Saute them on low flame for a minute. Then add in rich curd peel, coriander leaves and salt. Add very little water. Let this cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes till the peel becomes soft. This is done. Keep this aside to cool down completely. Take this out in a grinding jar. To this add in jaggery and tamarind. Add little water and grind this to make a paste. Taste this and check if you want to make any adjustments as per your taste, like adding more tamarind to make it sour or using more chili to add more heat to it, or add some more jaggery to balance all the flavor. Take this out in a bowl. Next we need to prepare the tempering. For that heat a teaspoon oil on very low flame. Add in mustard seeds and wait till they splutter. Next in goes curry leaves. Take care not to burn this tempering. Pour this hot over the chutney. So here we have a delicious rich curd peel chutney. You can have this along with dosa, idli, chapati or can also be used in a sandwich. I hope you all liked today's video. If you do, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.